Greetings, everyone. You see the reason why I tell you to stand on the truth, irrespective of who is involved. Truth is not just bitter, but truth is also provocative. Now, the video I'm about to show you here is a video of a local government chairman representing people. And watch what happened when he was confronted with nothing but the truth, and you will see his reaction. Without saying anything further, I want you to sit down, watch this video, watch it attentively, and see everything, and you now judge in the comment section what should happen to this very chairman and this young man. Let's watch the video before I now say it the way it is. Welcome to Biafra Unity TV.
Because Chiriku na Asoko Kamono Kamodi. Umino Pechane, oh, now, as I look to Shedre. Oko Seriba Behia, and what do I know because I could try a corner like a Yala. To say this, I will know a pistol car, I will touch TV. And look at my chairman of the last campaign of Renake, Honorable Elijah. He was making a speech that day. Muhammad in the studio up. Stay alive for 4 years. And when he managed him, and when he checked with the government house, he asked him, yes, I checked with the pantia. And when he managed him, I will get a try here. And nobody got that on you go. Again, yeah, I'm not. There's a big I want to say, I want
Now, my people, I believe and I hope you have learned a lot from this video. That young man confronted the leader who have been in power for more than 4 years without doing anything to the community, without doing anything to the masses. And this chairman is receiving allocation. And when he was confronted with the truth, with the nothing but the truth, you see his reaction. He now, how can a chairman react in that negative way for his incompetence, for his own failure? The next thing he will go and do now is to find a way to assassinate that very young man for telling him the truth. At this point, this very action alone have disqualified this man to become a leader. That very action alone, this man displayed before this community, before everyone, before the eyes of everyone who voted for him to be in the power. This very action, we have already disqualified him to be a leader. How can he throw away the tables and everything, scattering everything? That shows that he never have any intention of doing anything in that community. That shows that he don't have any plan to do anything in that community. That is why I tell you people, speak the truth at all costs, irrespective of who is involved, because only the truth will set us free. If only others can emulate this man by standing for the truth and saying the truth at all costs, telling these evil politicians there's nothing but the truth, this will stop. And I am calling for the government and the people that matters to step in to make this man step down, because this is a total failure. His own attitude is also a failure. For not doing anything is also a failure. A chairman throwing the table. How can you elect an Agboro to become a leader? This is what is holding us down, and we must rise to fight against all these evil men. I want to see your reaction from the comment section. Share this video so that others will see the reason they will stand for the truth. When we tell you we stand for the truth and nothing but the truth, these are the truth we are standing for. These are the truth. And all this evil, we must rise up and stop it. Say the truth at all costs. Truth is not just bitter, but also a provocative. Thank you and remain blessed. Once again, my name is MAP Eziokwu Bundu, one Biafra land. Remain blessed as I bring you all the videos as they happen. Follow us on Mazi Achebepo, Biafra Unit, and Matters Arising. Make sure you subscribe so that you will be getting the Benge news as they happen. They bring them to you hot. Thank you and remain blessed.